The next question from Asif Anwar Ahmad, Malda, West Bengal, India. How can I get your appointment? I would like to meet you. As far as the question is concerned, if someone wants to meet me, meeting me is alhamdulillah very easy, very simple. And most of the people are aware that I normally pray my Jummah Salah always in the Putra Mosque. I'm staying in Putrajaya, which is the administrative capital of Malaysia, and most of the people know that I'm staying here. And whenever I'm in Putrajaya, most of the time I'm there in Putrajaya. Rarely I travel, and especially now where the traveling is restricted. So as long as I'm not traveling, whenever I'm in Putrajaya, I pray in Putra Mosque. And alhamdulillah, every Friday, there are hundreds of people coming to meet me. So after Jummah Salah, I normally pray in the second or third row, just behind the Imam. And after I finish my Salah, after praying the Sunnah, there are hundreds of people there to meet me, and it's very easy for you to meet me, to shake my hands, most of them clicking photographs, no problem at all. And I stay for about a few minutes, meeting the few hundred people, so each person takes about a few seconds. So meeting me, per se, shaking hand, removing photograph is very easy. If you want to meet for a little bit longer, people know that I stay in Putrajaya, I stay in Precinct 8, and getting my address is very easy. You can go to Putrajaya Mosque and ask, and you'll get it. And in the complex where I stay, there is a surau or a local mosque where I normally pray 5 times Salah. After any of the Salah, anyone comes to meet, I meet, but natural, I spend approximately 1 minute with the person. I cannot spend long. So surely, how are you? You can exchange greetings, salam, walaikum salam, shake hands, want to take out a photograph, no problem, want to take autograph, no problem. Maybe if you speak to my assistant, maybe I may spend 2 minutes with you. So meeting me is very easy. Anyone, whether he's a friend of mine or not a friend of mine, whether he's a fan of mine or not a fan, whether he's a Muslim or non-Muslim, it is very easy to meet me. More people come to the Putra Mosque, where I meet a few hundred people. Otherwise, normally other Salah 5 times a day also, there is someone or the other always there to meet me. But I normally spend 1 minute. If it's informed to my secretary, maybe I spend 2 minutes, not more than that. I want to cover more people in lesser time. So on Fridays, in few minutes, I cover a few hundred people. At the normal 5 times Salah, in a few minutes, I cover few people. If you want an appointment to meet and discuss, that becomes difficult. If you want to spend half an hour or 1 hour, it's difficult because there are thousands of people who want to meet and I'm only one person. I would love to meet each and every one. I would love. But because of time constraint, because of my commitments, meeting me is very easy. But if you want to spend time and chat for longer time, half an hour, etc., it's extremely difficult. For that, you'll have to meet my assistant. You'll have to say why you want to meet, what is the requirement, etc. And if you feel that it's going to cause a major benefit to the Ummah, and because if I spend maybe 20 minutes, half an hour with anyone, I'm stopping my other dawah activity. So there's a decision taken by my secretary that if the activity why he wants to meet is a major benefit for the Ummah, and if I have to spend time and stop my other dawah activity, he may give an appointment. Otherwise, it's difficult. But to meet me and to say salams to me is very easy. Shake my hands is very easy. Want to click a photograph, very easy. And this is the case with any practicing Muslim who goes to the mosque. It's very easy. You should find out which mosque he goes to pray, whether it be the Jummah Salah or whether it be the 5 times Salah. It's very easy to catch a practicing Muslim in the mosque and at least meet him for a few seconds.